Hi and welcome. Today we're going to look at a mouse and keyboard pad. It's illuminated with RGB lights. So let's see what's inside. It's from EASEMO or EASEMO. This is the KMP7 RGB mouse pad. And on the back it's like this. It's actually the same size as my current one. I use one from Spigen that doesn't have any illumination. So yeah, and then on this side it's made of this material. It's very flexible and rubbery, and unfortunately this doesn't have USB-C. I wish it had, because then I don't need to use micro USB in 2023. But they kindly included one of this as well, so we can give it a try and see how it looks like. So we'll plug this in here. And then let's just put that in there. And we'll disconnect one of the lights and we'll plug this in. And that's just the material. So that's how it looks like. Let me just turn this light off as well. So as you press this power button, it will move through the colors. And for now it's just stable light, where you should have different modes. Like for example, this one is just pulsing through the colors. You can see now it's green. Change to blue. This one is kind of like multiple colors circulating around. And what else we have? This one is just kind of pulsing as well, like that. And I think now it's back to the other colors. Yeah, so there you have it, guys. I think this is very useful. It makes your desk feel more comfortable, and it's also water resistant. So if you spill something on this, don't worry, you quickly clean it with a cloth and you're good to go. And this one is the large one, which will cover larger areas. I wish they would have specified, maybe they did, let me see. I forgot to tell you that there's also a user manual, and hopefully it should tell us the dimensions. So there you have it, 900 by 400, and it's 4 millimeters thick. 900 grams in terms of weight. Thank you for watching.